Hello everyone and welcome back to another easy way video where I'm going to teach you how to change fan speed in any graphics card on MSI Afterburner. So you have to go to the link on the description or comments and you have to install this program here, and the next thing you have to do after installing, you have to open it, you have to go to settings, find the user interface, and here on the skin you have to select the Cyborg Afterburner skin, press accept. Wait a few seconds till the program starts again, and as you can see here is the fan speed. So you disable the auto option and you can change the speed of your fan. So this is it. I used to use this on auto, but if you want to get more lower temperatures, you can improve this option. Make sure that you are not making your fan to go so fast because it can broke. So if this video was useful for you, just press this accept button when you do your change, and subscribe, like, comment, share, and press the bell in the subscription button. Goodbye and this way.